this is Rossmönster Vans, and today I want to show you around this Sprinter 170 that we just wrapped. Some exterior features of this rig include a Fiamma F65 awning, and then in the front here we have our Aluminess front bumper with brush guard, and we also have fog lights on here. So let's check out the inside. Welcome inside. So before I take you through the different components of this van, we'll just talk about some of the overall design features. So we have durable enamel white painted panels all down the sides of the van. In the back, we have some walnut stained tongue and groove. So that's a really nice design feature, as well as these cross slats in the ceiling. Additionally, we have oak floors on the ground, and then walnut butcher block countertops throughout. So I'll start in our galley area, which is up front. Then we'll go into the dinette and our closet. Then we have a raised bed in the rear, and under that, our garage stores a lot of bike-centric components because this rig was made for an avid cyclist. So let's start in the front and work our way back. So in the galley area of this van, we have a Cruise 130 fridge, and that's going to have a little freezer area up top right there. We have a nice silverware drawer. We have our walnut butcher block countertops that we were talking about, a ton of upper storage with these really nice 5-panel doors. These are all going to be on gas struts for soft opening and closing, and this rig has a microwave in it, which is a great feature. And then we also have a Dometic dual burner induction cooktop with a custom stove cover, so that this can also just be additional prep space. Another interesting thing about this van is that it has a washing machine in it, because this cyclist will want to wash his chamois and so on and so forth while he's out on the road. So that's a feature that we don't see very often in a van. And then moving back, we have a 15 by 20 Ruvati workstation sink. As always, it has our insert in there, as well as a teak Rossmönster made insert at the bottom of it there. Additionally, underneath the sink, we have a 7-gallon gray water tank, and I'll tell you about the rest of our water tanks when we get all the way to the rear. In the living area of this van, we have a C.R. Lawrence T-vent window, and in front of that we have these Irvine shades, which are really nice. So you can either have the gauzy version, which filters a little bit of the light, or you can pull down the blackout version and really have some privacy in here. Moving a little bit further back, we have our dinette for two. So this is an upholstered, custom-made bench seat with a legume knot table with a walnut surface here. This can also be mounted in the front in the galley area and used with the swivel seat, driver and passenger seats. Additionally, we have a very roomy closet here with a hanging bar up top, so clothes can be hung there and all the way down to the base of the vehicle. Last feature about this dinette that I love is that this is where our dry flush toilet is going to go once it arrives. It's not here yet, but this will be its little concealed storage area for once it is here. Additionally, this rig has a 32-inch Samsung TV in it, so you can enjoy from bed, from the dinette, wherever. And then all the way in the rear of the van, we have a roughly queen-size bed. That's going to have 2 retractable reading lights over it. And we also just have more upper cabinet storage back here. Additionally, when it comes to airflow in this van, we have a max air fan in the front over the cooking area. And then we have our Dometic Penguin AC unit in the back. So along with the 1.3 cubic foot washing machine in this rig, we also just have a nice clothesline to hang things to dry, which attaches over here and can be a portable drying rack. All right, so in the garage area of this van, again, you can see the half walnut tongue and groove detail on the doors. And then rather than using the rough side of the black hex ply that we usually put in garages, we use the smooth side so that we can stick these Sea-Sucker suction cup bike mounts for transit of bicycles. We have a separate garage light back here. And then additionally, we have a wall-mounted park tool repair bike stand on the wall here. Other features that this garage holds are 510 amp hours of AGM battery bank. We have a 3,000 watt inverter. This is where all of our fuses are going to be housed. We have an air compressor in here, and then we also have 300 watts of solar up top. On the driver's side of this van, we have a 20-gallon fresh water tank as well as our exterior shower. And then lastly, we just have a portable generator that goes along with this van. So that is going to power their Dometic Penguin AC unit. Thanks for joining in. Again, I'm Lucy with Rossmönster Vans. Be sure to follow us on Instagram. Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss a van tour. Have a great rest of your day.